Today we are gonna be tasting some yummy, I hope yummy, American snacks! You know how much we love food. Daddy, bring it on. Oh, our favorite mystery box.
What is this? I'm picking this. It's called Snowballs. Coconut and marshmallow, like pink coconut, covered with chocolate cake with creamy filling.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that size.
It's so big. It's squishy.
It looks squishy.
Okay, 3,
2, 1, go. Show this.
I mean, it's not that good.
Not that good.
Yes. I don't like the coconut.
Smells good. It's a sponge inside, like a marshmallow, yeah, around. I don't know, I like it. It's sweet, squishy, chocolatey.
It tastes like normal coconut when it's even pink.
Ready to rate this?
6. Wasn't my type.
I will give 7. It was good, but nothing special.
6.9.
Okay, ready for the next one?
Yes.
Find something good.
What?
Oh,
Rainbow!
okay, open it.
These are Cheetos.
This should be good. Pull it, pull it, pull it. Yeah!
Oh my god, it smells so nice actually.
Smells cheesy. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go. It's crunchy and cheesy. It's good, I like it.
I'm going.
You go? No!
I'm rating this a solid 9. Really good.
Okay, I will give 8.
I'll give 9.5.
Oh.
So good. I'm like,
Oh, okay.
Come on. What is she doing?
I think, what is this? What is this?
It looks like an Oreo cracker.
Pop tracks.
I know what this is. I saw it in a video. It's like some kind of cracker. That's big. I am ready.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool. It's chocolatey.
I never knew a Pop-Tart would look like this.
This look like sandwich.
I love chocolate, so it should be good for me.
She's enjoying it.
I am. I like it. Sweet, chocolatey.
I'm excited as well because I never ate a Pop-Tart before.
All is ready. Take a bite. Come on. Take a bite. What's wrong? Take a bite. Yeah, you can get it. Oh, really crunchy. I like it. And there's a filling. Look. I will open it. There's a filling inside. Okay, interesting.
Does it taste like Christmas cookies?
No, it doesn't.
No, I do not recommend you to try this.
You don't like it?
No. I don't like the aftertaste. I'm giving this a 5. 5. Because the aftertaste doesn't taste that much like the first taste that was good.
It's not the best chocolate cookie I have tasted, so I will give 7. Ready for next one?
Yes!
Whose turn is now?
Those mummies.
Ooh, wow!
I know it's Pringles.
New York style cheeseburger flavor. Wow!
It says limited edition. Ow.
Smell it.
Oh my, oh my.
Oh, it smells good. One, let's go.
Oh my god.
It actually tastes like a cheeseburger. Oh my, I'm so impressed.
It is actually a lot. I taste pickles. It tastes like a real cheeseburger for real.
Yeah, let's rate it.
10.
That's a good score. 9.5.
8. It could be better.
You're so
Pick it.
It is.
Box is coming to you.
Don't peek.
Oh, I feel something very in a jar. Oh, I know what that is. It's fluff, marshmallow fluff. Oh my! I saw this so many times on YouTube. They use this on crackers.
Really? I never seen this.
I always wanted to try it. Today's the day. What is that? It smells like marshmallows.
Yeah, smells like a marshmallow. Pack it to me, please. Thank you.
It's way better than a marshmallow. Inside, it's like a tiny bit the same, but not that much. But it's very, very sweet.
Yeah, it's like when you cook a marshmallow on the fire. It's really good, actually.
My dad is like,
Eating
more,
this.
more.
What?
It's too good.
How are we gonna eat this then?
This is 10
Okay, ready to rate it, Alex?
out of 10.
I will give 9. Really good.
8.5. It was good, but not good enough for me.
Oh, there you go. Look at this.
something spicy.
Wrap snack icon, barbecue cheddar. Have you seen these in England?
No, we never did.
No. There you go. And let's go for it. It's so good. I like these better than Pringle ones. Oh my god, it's so good.
Because it has so much flavor to it when you first take the bite out of it. It like gives you a shock because it's so much flavor.
Okay, let's rate it, Alex.
10 out of 10.
I will give
9. My turn.
your turn. That's a giant
It's
drink.
called Arizona Grape Edie.
And 100% all natural flavors. Take a giant sip.
2, 1. It's so good.
Is it?
American
Grape.
snacks are the best.
Smells like a grape. It's not sparkle.
Because exactly, it's more like a juice. I
like it.
Not sweeter than a grape, though, but it's less sweeter.
Less sweeter, but it's
Still sweet. Wait, look,
It doesn't
it
make
says
sense.
$129. It doesn't say pound on there. 8.5. Wasn't that so bad, but it was good.
I will give 7.
10 out of 10. These are too good now. I can't stop eating American
Go to
snacks.
America.
I should.
We should go to America. We should. Okay. What are you doing there? Oh.
Fruit roll-ups, Jolly Rancher.
That was easy to open. That's good. Yeah, roll it open. Let's see.
My.
How you eat this?
I don't know.
Yeah, it smells like a watermelon. You know I don't like watermelon.
Jolly Rancher's pictures on there. Edible paper.
Oh my god, this is so good as well.
Look, it's stretchy. Let's break it up a little bit.
This is like the edible paper we ate before, remember? Oh, that's sticky.
It is watermelon flavor. It's okay. A bit sour, no?
So good.
I would say it's a bit sour, a bit sweet. I don't know. I like it. Do you like it?
Yes.
Let's rate it.
10 out of 10.
You're giving 10 to everything.
It's too good.
Gaby?
8 out of 10.
I will give. It was pretty good. 7.
How dare you? Next one.
Be careful. Let's see. What is this?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy.
Oh my, I am obsessed with Hershey's. I try to find them all the time. They're usually really dark chocolate and bitter, but this... Oh,
Oh, look at that color. I like that color. That's for sure. Smells like a chocolate.
Oh yeah. It smells like the blue chocolate we had in the fountain.
Let's have a bite. Sweet chocolate.
It just tastes like white chocolate.
Color is special, that's for sure, but the taste, it's like a normal chocolate, to be honest.
I will give it a 8.5.
It was actually very good.
I will give
6.5.
5.
3. I don't like it. I don't like white chocolate, I'm for real.
Okay, next one.
Who's trying to see it?
It's yours.
It's mine.
Yeah.
These
Oh.
are Twinkies. I heard of them lots of places. Golden sponge cake with creamy filling. Should be good.
Sounds yummy.
The most important part about me is how soft is the
Sponge. You like the soft sponge or hard sponge?
soft, of course.
Oh.
That is golden. This looks like a golden sponge. Well, it smells like
Sponge. Oh yeah, you got the filling. Can you see inside?
wow. This is the best one so far. It's really good.
The sponge is really good. I like it. Lemony flavor, no?
It smells weird. It is actually very, very good.
Twinkies, Twinkies. What are we gonna give for Twinkies, Alex?
9.9.
It was actually good. I liked it. I will give 8.
8.5.
Ooh, the box is going to Gaby. Try to find something.
Don't peek.
Is there nothing? What?
No.
It's empty.
I wanted more snacks.
Sadly, we are running out of the American snacks.
My favorite was the marshmallow fluff, and my least favorite was the snowballs.
For me, the best for sure, Snoop Dogg chips. The flavor was amazing. The least favorite, cotton candy chocolate.
My favorite was the Pringle cheeseburger flavor. I loved it. And my least favorite was the snowballs.
In future, we are planning to taste Canadian snacks. If you know any good, yummy, or maybe not that yummy snacks, write down in the comments. We will try to get them. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Bye!